What is happiness? What makes us happy? Isn't it different for everyone? People feel happy with different things. But if you really see, happiness is a condition of the heart. You can choose to be happy in any situation. In fact, real happiness cannot be found in material things and outside the world. Inner peace brings the real happiness that lasts forever, and it doesn't depend on things. Happiness is accepting yourself and be the best version of yourself. Still, we all are human beings, and in this time of pandemic, when we see depressing news all around, it is good to find happiness in small things and be positive. Today I am going to share 10 things that makes me happy. Number 1 in the list is slow, heartful mornings. I love slow mornings when there is no hurry to go anywhere or to do anything. I love it more when I get up little early and get little more extra me time in the morning. I usually get up around 6 a.m. and first thing I do is to go out in the open. In my current home, I don't have a garden or courtyard, so I just go in the balcony and just sit there without doing anything. I love the morning breeze and the chirping of the birds. After sitting there for 10-15 minutes, I come inside and do my morning meditation. I practice heartfulness meditation. If you want to know more about heartfulness, I have given the website and the YouTube link in the description. After my 1 hour meditation, I am energized and ready for the day. The second thing in the list is flowers. I love flowers. Just to see the flowers on trees and plants fill me with so much joy. I don't really need to bring it at home. I just feel happy to see them in their natural state, on plants and on trees. I love wildflowers even more. Sometimes I bring home the fallen flowers from the earth and put them in a bowl with water. Next thing is paints and colors. I love paints more than anything. As an artist, they are my need, but I hoard them like anything. I can never have enough of paints. I don't get excited with clothes and jewelry or any other shopping, but paints and craft supplies are my weakness. I feel so happy in mixing paints. Their texture, their vibrant colors and pigment brings a smile on my face. I love acrylic paints and I love to play around with watercolors too. If someday I feel tired or irritated, I just sit on my table and work with my paints, and very soon I am back to my cheery happy mood. I love cooking. Basically experimenting in cooking. I don't like to cook boring daily food. I love to bake something exotic and then I like to do the plating and take photos with different angles. Cooking and baking is also an art and I love to do it creatively. Next things are candles that make me so happy. I love to make candle holders and decorate the candles. Aroma candles bring so much happiness to the home. I love to decorate my home with candles. The next thing in my list is coffee. I was debating with myself if I should include coffee in my happiness list or not. I love coffee undoubtedly with all my heart. But somewhere in my heart I know that it's not good for health. I drink only 1 cup in a day and I'm trying to quit it. Maybe I have not made up my mind yet to leave it. I guess it's my guilty pleasure. but yes, I do love coffee. Next thing is evening walk. I love going for evening walks. Mornings also, if I get a chance, I go for a walk, but evening walk I never like to miss. This is my me time with nature. I just admire the beauty of nature and listen to the melody of nature. I feel so grateful to the nature and feel fortunate that I live surrounded by this beautiful nature. Tall trees and wild grass, dry leaves and silent paths, blue water and orange sky, chirping birds and butterfly. They make me happy to the core. Nothing can replace it, that's for sure. Books. Oh, the smell of books, touch of them, they make me so happy. Our home is always filled with books. My girls are also book bombs just like me. I am proud of my books. We move a lot and still we carry all our books wherever we go. Nowadays I don't get much time to sit and read, so I listen. I listen to the audiobooks while painting and cooking or walking. But still, books are like my first love, and I buy books whenever I get a chance. Number 9 is Sun and the Moon. Sun and the moon, I love them both equally. Watching sunrise and sunset always feels magical, and I always make sure to go for a walk on full moon nights. They are so mesmerizing. I have written so many poems on moon, and maybe I'll share those with all of you one day. And the last thing in my list is the laughter of my family. The thing that makes me most happy is my family. When we play together and tease each other. Actually, I am the one who gets teased all the time. Sometimes I just sit and listen to them talking, laughing, and I feel wow, they are mine. My daughters are made of me. They are like me, but also so different. They have their own personality. They are so much more than I was at that age. I can just feel proud of them. I just cherish this time with my family more than anything. So this was my list of happiness. What makes you happy? Share with me in the comments and consider subscribing if you like this video. I hope this pandemic will be over soon. We just have to stay positive and follow all the safety measures. That's it for now, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe and stay happy.